How to replace the NVRAM DIMM on the AFF A70 and AFF A90 family of systems. Determine the status of the controller and, if necessary, take over the impaired controller. If auto support is enabled, suppress automatic case creation by invoking the following auto support message. Ensure that all drives in the chassis are firmly seated against the midplane. Gently push each drive until you feel a positive stop. Ensure you are properly grounded. To remove power, disconnect the power cords from the power supply. Depress the cam latch button and rotate the cam latch as far as it will go. Remove the module from the chassis by pulling the module out by the cam handle. Place the module on a stable surface and remove the impacted DIMM from the NVRAM module. Install the replacement DIMM in the NVRAM module. Install the NVRAM module into the chassis. Align and insert the module all the way into the chassis, and then push the cam latch up to lock the module into place. To restore power, plug the power cords into the power supplies. The controller will begin to boot once power is restored. Boot on tap at the loader prompt. Return the impaired controller to normal operation by giving back its storage. If automatic giveback was disabled, re-enable it. If auto support is disabled, restore and unsuppress automatic case creation. The final step is to return the failed part to NetApp by following the RMA instructions shipped with the kit. For more information, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.